Hello again YouTube, another airgun related video. I had a little incident yesterday shooting my 257 airgun and had a valve failure, which was quite unfortunate. I have the gun disassembled here. You can see the Boyd's thumb hole stock, and then there's the receiver and valve assembly, and I'm using a balanced valve which has steel stem, PAA key peak seal, and a titanium cylinder for the balancing act. And the balancer piston is assembled to this hub, and the peak piston broke and the O-ring came off. It's a fatigue fracture, so the material is not strong enough to withstand the opening and closing of the valve, for the valve being so big. There's the stainless steel cylinder. This is stainless steel pressure tubing rated for 300 bar, continues to 0 and 300 bar cycles. It's process tubing, very expensive. And there's the fill valve end. It's threaded, and the valve body, the O-rings are in the pressure side and not on the thread side, so the threaded portion never sees the 300 bar pressure, only the pull force from the surface area, and so the cylinder is not compromised from the thread. As the thread portion thins the cylinder wall, and you have to reduce the pressure capability of the cylinder, but putting the O-rings into the pressure portion of the cylinder, you can use the rated pressure of the cylinder. These are just the things you have to keep in mind when designing this kind of guns. Always you need to figure out what's the mean pressure the cylinder is capable of handling, and you need to stay safe, because there's enough energy in the cylinder to the equivalent of a stick of dynamite, I think. If the cylinder ruptures, you're gonna lose your hand and head and whatnot. So always stay safe when making these kind of things. I use a Timney featherweight trigger, which is nice. You can adjust it even with the spring loads we're using on the hammer systems. But that's it for today. Just a little demonstration of the parts, because I had to take it apart when the valve failed. Stay safe, and if you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Have a nice day.